Alright, got the new red hydrogen one. Let's take it out of the box and look and see what it looks like and how it works. This will be fun, huh? Had a bunch of different red cameras. Let's see how they are with phones. Got of course, the iPhone here to kind of compare it with. As usual, they have a really nice box. Since I was a pre-order on the titanium model and they have trouble making those, they sent me this aluminum one for free with the cookie, 128 gig micro SD card. Pretty cool. And of course the pre-order token, which is a really nice heavy piece of plastic and metal, I guess, and it's got a sticker on the back, so maybe I'll stick this onto the Porsche. We'll see. Oh yeah, for those in Germany, Porsche. Alright, let's take it off and see if it's in here. Oh, it's in here, but it's in another box. That's cool, and really, look at that. I don't know if you can see how cool this is. Kind of like a jewel. So let's pull it out of here. Hydrogen. Nothing else in the box. What's in the box? Nothing else. We'll put that over here. Alright, hydrogen. Cool, cool, huh? Red media machine. Hydrogen. Cool. Alrighty. There it is. Sweet. Brand new. Still has all the plastic on it. Very cool. What else do we have in here? Oh, look at that. I'll put that over here. We've got the red charger. Got the USB-C cable, which I already brought my Apple USB-C cable, so I can hook that up to charge it. Speaking of which, I think they don't come charged like most electronics, so we'll plug this in. And plug it in to charge it. Alright, so let's take this little protective plastic off, huh? Too bad my daughter just left to go to work because she loves taking this stuff off. Ooh, there we go. Nice. So it's charging. Very cool. So on the side we have the power button. It's also a fingerprint reader, I believe. So let's hold that down, start it up. Here it comes. Hydrogen. Cool. Can already see like the 3D effect on it. That's pretty cool. Way better than a Nintendo 3DS. No way, man. People comparing it to that? Nah. I don't know how much of that effect you can see. Probably not too much, huh? Well, there it is. Alright, it took a little bit, but this came on. So the startup screen, vision settings, emergency call, English. Let's do it in English. That'd be funny if I did it in French. Then you guys would be, oh, I want it in English. No, let's do it in English. Start connect to the mobile network. Skip that, we don't want to connect yet. Connect to Wi-Fi. I'll connect to this off screen, just so you don't get my password, because then you can come around my neighborhood and connect to my Wi-Fi, huh? So it says may take a minute or two. So while that's taking a minute or two, I'll take out the iPhone here to kind of see the difference in size, etc. Alright, so here's the iPhone Plus, the 7 Plus. You can kind of see the difference in size. They're about the same. Alright, this didn't connect the first time, so I reconnected it. Let's copy your data from an Android or iPhone. Yeah, we won't do that. We'll just set up as a new. There we go, just a sec. You can see that. So Google sign in. Again, I'll do this off screen so you don't see my password. Alright, it wants to add a phone number. We don't want to add a phone number yet. We'll skip that. Alright, read all this stuff, agree, there we go, good enough, right? Let's do the fingerprint, huh? I'm gonna do, they give you a fingerprint plus pattern, fingerprint plus pin, or fingerprint plus password. So I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Alright, now we'll touch the sensor over here. Let's see, and I'll probably do it with my thumb here first. If you can see that. So kind of like the Apple way of doing it. Put your thumb on there. Wait for it to tell you to lift it, then you lift it. Not quite as fast as the Apple one, but again, it's a side button, so it's not like the round Apple one where you get a good full scan of everything, right? Fingerprint added. There we go. No thanks, not yet. Google services. Let's just skip over all this stuff. Anything else? No thanks. Here we go. There's the start of it. Here we go. Cool. So I've been told first thing to do is go into here, the Leia loft. You can't see that, but it's pretty cool 3D stuff. And Holo Pix, there we go. We'll get that one, right? Download. Sign in with Google. That. There we go. Add an address. Alright, so let's download that. There it is. Sign into Google. Hopefully it remembers all this. Choose an account. Saving. We're gonna hold big slide up that. Next, double tap the screen to switch to 2D, 4D. Got it. Close enough. I'm sure I'll remember it. Ooh, cool stuff. Really cool stuff. If you were here, you could see all this 3D stuff. There's a nice long lens. That's pretty cool. From Jacob Schwartz. He's around here too. He's around Utah. Let's go back to this. Some cool stuff. Awesome. Alright. We'll go back to home here. Pretty cool stuff. I am an iPhone user from way back, from the first day of launching, so I don't know too much about this Android stuff. I'm gonna have to learn it. But that's a pretty cool first look at the Hydrogen 1. Allow the camera to have access. Yeah, we won't give it the location. So, alright, let's just go with that. Alright, so apparently you can only do the 3D shooting. Oh, that is very cool. Probably can't see that, can you? That's really cool. You can only do it when you're in landscape mode. Switch to portrait mode, and it flips out of the 3D and goes back to 2D, which that's pretty cool. That'll help people not use vertical video, because vertical video is a crime, right? Cool. All right, so let's go home. Guess that's that. There we go. Cool. All right, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe. Since YouTube made all those rule changes and stuff like that, we're demonetized. But subscribe so we can get over the 1,000 subscribers, and then we'll work on the views, I guess. And check out the other videos we got. We got cool stuff. Red unboxings. We have an airplane walk around. We have all sorts of cool stuff. Switching out the spark plugs on the Porsche. So check out our stuff. Thanks for watching this. It's been cool. I'm going to have fun with this for the next weekend. We're going to Vegas, so we'll have some good pictures for that. See you later.